Words. Friends, today is Saturday. So, as previously discussed, we are going to analyze the Nifty 50 charts, which we have already analyzed few days back. And this analysis is purely on the daily basis. So, today we are going to target as again A to L. Fine. So I'm starting with Adani Ports without wasting a time. So Adani Ports on a daily basis, guys, a breakout might come. Sorry, because it is right now break this one. So if it breaks this trend line, chances are there going upside, and if it will go upside, the next point is this one, 830. Fine. So keep looking this chart. I'm just marking. Asian Paint, guys, Asian Paint have done this breakout, and as I told you, when the break, see in this breakout 104 rupees. So next so chances should be till this level and till this level. And let me show you one thing. Triangle in chart patterns. See, when this symmetrical triangles breakout come, the chances are there a big rise is coming. So same thing happens in Asian Paint, and same thing we will expect in this Adani Ports. But let's see Adani Ports. Asian Paint is there, so chances are there Asian Paints might go till 3319 or 3401. So keep this on radar. Bajaj Finserv, guys, Bajaj Finserv, if you see, let me draw one more trend line on a daily basis. This one is there. So this one is also near a breakout. So if the breakout is there, chances are 17808. Next chance is 18565. Bharti Airtel. So the charts which are on breakout, I have marked only those. For Bharti Airtel, guys, Bharti Airtel is making a cup shape pattern. This one. So when cup shape pattern is there, cup shaped in chart patterns. So when cup shape pattern is there, chances are that breakouts will be there, and any time when the breakout come, definitely it will move till this zone, break this zone 781 and move ahead. Chances are 756, 781. BPCL, guys, we are not able to see any trends, but yes, it is moving upward. Next resistance is 409. Britannia, guys, Britannia is fine. Britannia breaks this resistance. Next chances is this one, 3663, and after that let me mark a new resistance on the upside, this one, 3760. So we will see this Britannia next week also, not in radar for this week. Cipla, guys, is, I have drawn this bigger trend line, so this might be in a monthly basis. Wait, so let me okay. But Cipla, if you see, Cipla have make a very big red candle this week, this month. So chances are that if this type of big red candles are there, it will go again down. So if it will go down, break this support, Next target is 826. Coal India, sorry, again moving towards a daily basis, just for the trend line I move here. Coal India, guys, is, you see, it touches, it breaks this resistance, trying to move up again downward. So these type of retracements is coming into picture, the stock go downward. And if it will go downward, because it provides a dividend of 9 rupees, so this breakout is for 158 to 152, approx 6 to 7 rupees. So this 9 rupees is coming into picture. So sorry, that will come around 21st December. And again this one is, if go downwards, high chances of downwards, and downwards till 138. And this is one of, also one of the support, 147. So intraday selling might be good option if you go, but not a recommendation, because this is a disclaimer from our end, we are not providing any recommendations for any of the stock. This is just for analysis purpose and for education purpose we have opened this channel, because I am also not a SEBI registered person. If you want to go for any of the, like buying, selling for stock, do take consultation with your financial consultant. Let's move towards Divis Lab. Divis Lab, I told, if this breakout come, so we have this, is this trend line is null and void. If it will go downwards, more downwards option, this is one of the support zone. And I am able to see one trend line also here, this I'm just marking the wick of the swings. Fine. And see, if retracement come from this support, then upper side, and otherwise downside next is uh, this one, guys. This one, this block is a major 4304. Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy is on. Dr. Reddy breaks this trend line, so this is now null and void. But Dr. Reddy is on, like you can say, 4845 to 4435. Keep looking this chart. Eicher Motor. Eicher Motor, make it in a monthly first of all. So we mark this one. Let me mark this one now. So it might make a symmetrical triangle in the future, but not right now. But yes, if it will go upside, chances are 2653. And it is in a momentum on a daily basis also. So in a daily basis, next resistance is 2, this one 2598. Let me put Eicher Motor on radar also. Grasim. Grasim, guys, upside. Next target is 1785. SCL Tech. This is null and void. This both trend lines are null and void. So Grasim is with this line. See, this Grasim is going by this line. And see Grasim, guys, chances are that wait, if I draw it from here, guys, now I find the trend line. A very big trend line is there. See, this is how, guys, this stock is good. This is trending with this particular dynamic support. Never move out from this support. If you see, it moves like this one. this, fine, this. So hmm, high chances of upside, so I'm not marking this line right now. This is not a correct line. This is a correct line, the bottom one. And if goes upside, the things are already marked, 1196, 1240, 1380. So SCL Tech I'm marking. Next week we will see HDFC. Guys, HDFC is in this particular two zones. So HDFC you can see 2865 to 2662. Upper side is like till 2886, 2926. HDFC Life, HDFC I'm also not marking. HDFC Life. HDFC Life broke the cup shape pattern. Fine. And so I can say this is now not fine. This cup shape pattern is broken downside. And guys, this might be the correct line for a trend line, 1 month. See, this is the benefit of drawing the trend line. So this stock is moving in between trend line and going upside, and but not marking right now on a daily basis because I am not able to see any of the big movements right now. But yes, this is going by these trend lines. So my view might be downside, but let's see next week. This is upside, guys. Clear cut view going upside. Next target is 2617. Hindalco. Hindalco, guys, this is null and void, and Hindalco is having, fine, this is one of the resistance, and upside chances are if go 481, lower side 438. Hindustan Unilever, guys, Hindustan Unilever if breaks this one, go downside, and not having any upside momentum right now, but still this is dynamic resistance. Indus Industrial Bank, guys, Indus Industrial Bank touches this resistance but making a trend line, this one. So if it moves according to this trend line, definitely the stock will go up and give you some good profit. So keep having a radar on it. Infi guy is like, see, Infosys is going here, from here to here. So Infosys is making this U-shaped pattern. I can say if W-shaped in chart patterns, these type of W-shaped are there, higher chances of higher side only. So but weights, IOC, I think these lines are not saved, IOC and ITC, but still we will try. uh, this one, ITC is the favorite stock in Indian market actually, and ITC if go downside, let me, upside is 245 clear cut resistance, downside is this one 217. A big you can say on 9th of December a big bullish candle came. So higher, if when this type of candle come whose lower wick is not there, chances are that the stock move high. JSW Steel, Guys, JSW Steel is near the upper dynamic resistance. Keep looking this one. Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank on a downside. Next target on a downside is 1822. But only possible if it breaks this one. This is 1877. Kotak Bank I mark. L&T. Guys, L&T touches this resistance. Upside this. Chances are upside. Wait and watch. This cup shape pattern is broken in L&T. This is how when the cup shape pattern broken, big profit came 1806 to 1873, and that too within 2 days, guys. So around approx 70 rupees profit. That's not bad in a single day, in a 2 day stock, if you go for a swing trading, because swing trading is around 10 to 15 days, but this give profit in 2 days. Let's analyze Maruti. Maruti breaks this one. Chances are upside. Upside, the next resistance for it is, major resistance is, let me mark in a daily basis, this one, guys, 7571. Nestle India, guys, Nestle India is in a range for 19489 to 18969. Any side movement, because see, if you see these type of things, when a multiple noise is there, then chances are that a breakout come, and breakout will definitely give you good profit because it is a big stock. NTPC, last time we analyzed NTPC also. NTPC is near support. Breakout come, then on a lower side it tries to touch first this one, 1220 122. Second one is this, 119. ONGC, guys, I'm able to see one trend line, this one, on a daily basis. Symmetrical triangle is there. Chances are that breakout come upside. So this is all about the stocks which we have already analyzed. I marked few stocks red. Adani Ports, red, not on a watch list. Adani Ports, Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv, Bharti Airtel, Coal India, Eicher Motor, SCL Tech, Hero Motocorp, Indus Industrial Bank, Kotak Bank, L&T, Maruti, Nestle India. This is good for this week, but if definitely do your own analysis also, and do let me know on my video, like whether you like it or not, and what all things I need to improve, because in stock market is all about education, learning, and keep on learning, keep on finding the new parameters. And definitely please subscribe to my channel. Please share the videos with the people who are doing stock market trading, and they will come and visit my channel and will let me know that what all things they want. Soon I am planning to analyze FANG companies in charts also, that is related to US, because right now in Indian stock market or Indian market also, people are investing in US stocks. So analyzing those 5 to 10 stocks on a daily basis for US market will definitely give us edge and overview about how best we can proceed with it. So this is all about for weekend, and guys, happy weekend, and enjoy the time. Thank you.